Stop scrolling. This home checks all the boxes, whether you're in your 20s or your 70s. Stay tuned and I'll show you why. I'm Mary Jo West with Keller Williams Realty in the Birmingham, Alabama metro area, and our Villas Belvedere listing at 211 Belvedere Drive in Dunnavant Valley off Highway 41 is move-in ready with all new alabaster white paint, a new big medallion window, and new LVP flooring. Here are the features that will make this house check the boomer box as well as the first-time buyer box. Take a look. Number 1, price point. This listing of ours is priced under $400,000 for 2,286 square feet. So a boomer who's selling the big house and downsizing might have enough equity to make this work with an all-cash purchase. And until rates come down, first-time buyers often have to stay under $400,000. This is the only active listing in Dunnavant Valley priced under $400,000. Number 2, floor plan. This open floor plan has over 1,900 square feet of main floor living with a split bedroom layout. The upstairs bonus room is a huge playroom for young families or great storage for boomers, since we still have stuff. Number 3, main level 2-car garage, which has a straight entrance into the laundry room and kitchen. Whether you have a baby on one hip and groceries on the other, or just find steps getting harder to navigate, main level parking is a great feature for all ages. Number 4, the large screened porch with an unobstructed view and access to HOA green space makes it a breeze to watch the kiddos play or to relax with a good book or a good friend. Number 5, highly rated Oak Mountain schools. Parents, drop your littles at Mount Laurel Elementary on the way to work, or grandparents, if you're helping with after-school care, this location is perfect. You even can have the grands picked up and dropped off by a school bus. Number 6, underground FEMA-approved tornado shelter. Whatever your age, safety is a priority. And this shelter accommodates 4 to 6 people for the ultimate peace of mind in bad weather. Let's look at lifestyle and amenities. Dunnavant Valley shopping continues to expand to fit all lifestyles. Mount Laurel is a planned community with a walkable town center commercial district, so there are quite a few shops and services. We'll post a list below, but a few essentials for daily living are a Piggly Wiggly grocery store, an Ace Hardware, a Chevron gas station, all right on Dunnavant Valley Road. They also have salon services, pet services, dentistry, fitness studio, a half dozen or so eateries, boutiques, and a 12-acre park, soccer fields, and a greenway with a 2-mile natural surface trail with the trailhead just off Highway 41. And just off Highway 41 is a new entertainment district development coming in the fall of 2025, Valley Post. It will feature 4 restaurants, Rodney Scott's Barbecue, Hero Donuts and Buns, Little Donkey, and Luca and Lucy. It will have a large outdoor patio and a common green space with a big LED video wall for events and movies. Prices are steadily rising along Dunnavant Valley Road. The MLS sales for June through August of 2025 sold at a low of $448,400 and a high of $769,500. It's a great time to lock up a contract at Villas Belvedere for $399. Below is a chart showing the appreciation of this new listing since it was built. And if you like new construction, there's a brand new subdivision built by Newcastle that's close to the entrance of Highway 41 off of Highway 280, currently under construction with a price range of $450 to $500 of the 5 active listings currently being built. The figures speak for themselves. Give us a call, shoot us a text or an email if you'd like to experience Dunnavant Valley living. I'm Mary Jo West with Keller Williams Realty in the Birmingham, Alabama metro area. And thanks for watching.